Yep, everything in the title of this video is true, and I'll explain right after I roll the intro. In the middle of December, Casey Neistat tweeted this tweet: giving away custom Casey Neistat Note 9s. And I made a simple comment. This one. Using it right now. In fact, it's created every single video on this channel. I need to go back a little further so you fully understand. On February 26th of 2017, Samsung released this video.
Allow me to introduce the rest of us.
That video blew my mind. Why am I not doing that? I'll leave a link to that video down in the description down below so you guys can go check it out. I highly recommend it. Oh, but that's far from the end of this story. On March 7th of 2017, Casey came out with his iconic video,
Do What You Can't.
That was it. That was all I needed. After watching that video, I completely engulfed myself in creating content. I grabbed this phone right here and started our YouTube channel. Every video that we have on our YouTube channel has been created with this Galaxy phone.
When you're a creator, all you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a good idea.
So to get back to where we started this video, a couple weeks ago, Samsung Mobile hit me up on that old Casey Neistat tweet, saying this. After a little bit of back and forth between me and Samsung, they invited me to San Francisco to attend the 2019 Galaxy Unpacked. What? And I had a hard time believing them at first. In fact, it sent me on quite a journey, looking for scams, verifying accounts. Is this real? No way. No way this is real. I won their Unpacked and Delight contest. What? Okay, but if this is real, I probably should do some shopping. Oh, look, monkeys and bananas.
Dad, I think that's too much information.
Yeah, but it's part of the story. The next thing I knew, I was saying goodbye to my kids.
Bye, have a good trip.
Then I was in a car saying goodbye to my home mountains, which wasn't hard to do. Do you see the snow? Then I was getting on a train. Then I was getting on a plane. Oh yeah, this is going down. San Francisco airport's really nice. Good job, San Francisco. Then I was in an Uber for the first one, my first Uber. Yeah, this is my first Uber ride. Never been in an Uber.
Uber?
Yeah, this is number one.
Number.
Yep. Next thing you knew, I was standing in front of the nicest hotel I've ever stayed at. Oh, no way. That's it. I'm here. They just gave me this. Tomorrow I'm going to the event and I am super pumped about it. The best part about all this is they're giving me a phone. I'm gonna have one of these new phones and I'm gonna play around with it and I'm gonna do everything I can to answer all your questions. I'm super pumped about it. I can't wait to see the future unfold. I can't wait to get my hands on one of these devices, start playing with it, see what all kinds of crazy magic I can make happen to create content for you. So don't forget to check back tomorrow because I'll be taking you guys with me along to the event. So I just wanted to say, thanks Samsung. Not only for making amazing products, but for inviting me to this amazing event. Thank you, Casey, for being so inspirational. I fully agree with this statement.
If I were to characterize what this new generation of content creators and filmmakers, what we all do on YouTube and everywhere else is, we do what we can.
If I can do it, you can do it too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that other fun jazz that all the other YouTubers on here say you're supposed to do. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be at Unpacked. Check back for that video. Check back for my new phone videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
So if you liked this video and you want to watch our other ones, click over here. And if you haven't already subscribed, click over here. And if you want to check out our social media, click up there. And ride safely and always wear a helmet.